In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how we can use Microsoft Bing AI image generator just in few seconds. So this will be quick tutorial step by step. So let's get started. So this is new AI trending website that is generating an insane image guys. As you can see, like those pictures over here, in high quality and great pictures as you can see. So I'm gonna show you how you can use it. So for beginners, what you should do first is you need to go to Google and you need to search for Bing AI. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, will take just a few seconds from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click over here on the search and ask anything you want. So for example, I'm gonna ask him to make for example, boy with cat watching sunset in the age, for example. And what you need to do next, click over here on create, okay, like this, and you just need to wait a few seconds for your image is being created by AI. As you can see, you just need to wait a few seconds and you will get an amazing pictures. Those pictures are now trending, and as you can see, we just got those pictures. Let's check. That's a really great look. So let me know in the comments guys, what's your opinion about this. It's a really great website. It's a great AI website image generator. It's trending. Is really making high quality image. Look at this one guys. So let's check. This one is really super cool. This one over here, it's really amazing, as you can see. This one. And if you want to download those pictures to your laptop, click over here on download and those pictures will be download to your laptop, and you can use those pictures maybe to your thumbnails or anything you want. So that's how we can use Microsoft Bing image generator website just in a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video.